How to activate Capital One Bank credit card. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I'm going to guide you how you can activate your credit card without calling. Step 1 is to download and install the Capital One Bank app on your device. Then open the app. Once you have been logged into your existing account, you will have the option of activate your credit card. Then tap on activate card. Now here enter your 3-digit security code to activate all cards on your Venture account. After that is done, your Venture card will be successfully activated and ready to use. If you want another way to activate your card, tap on your profile option, then click on the account and feature settings option. After that, tap on the activate a credit card option. From there, you want to enter the 3-digit security code to activate the card on your account. Once you follow all the on-screen prompts, you will be receiving a notification or email once your credit card has been successfully activated. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.